Hello po mga kapam, kain po tayo. Ang ulam ko po ngayon ay pritong tilapia at ginisang toge na gulay na may tokwa. Tara, kain po tayo.
May ito, we are discussing. Okay, so to start this lesson, I have here scenarios or situations, and all you have to do is to deliver the lines that you will say whenever you encounter the situation. Deliver a line based on the situation. If you are on that situation, what are you going to say? Deliver the line with feelings and emotions. Is that right? Is that ready? Okay, so let's start. This is what you call reaction. Reaction. Okay. So you will react on a given scenario by stating a line with feelings. First scenario. For example, what will you say if you saw your idol for the first time? Example, Beanie. What will you say if you saw your idol, Beanie? Anyone? What will you say if you see your idol? Yes, Riley, kindly say it verbally. I need to hear it. Can we have a selfie? Okay, good job, Riley. Can we have a selfie? Okay, good. How about on James? A picture, Maloy. So, kindly deliver it verbally. James.
Sarap.
James. Alam mo, biglang nawala. May points na yan. Wala pa, example pa lang eh. Sayang sabi. The later meron. Feeling ko may RP. What's RP? Bakit nagka-sundrax kayo? Example pa lang roleplay. Okay, roleplay. Let's see later. Sige, since wala namang sumasagot. O, ayan. Example, OMG, the mini members are so pretty. Kumari lang. If you saw Mini, then you will say, OMG, the Mini members are so pretty. Or ito na talaga yung totoong situation. Yung nasagot na ito is fake ones. True lang. Okay. Scene 1 or scenario number 1. You spilled your Coke. You spilled your Coke. What will you say if you spilled your Coke? What will you say if you spilled your Coke? Anyone? Anyone? You spilled your Coke. I have been on points. Anyone? You spilled your Coke. Yes! Raw.
Ma'am, I would say ano. Oh my gosh!
Okay. It's talaga no. Oh my gosh. Okay, good.
Thank you.
You got a perfect score in an exam. What would you say if you got a perfect score in an exam? What will you say if you got a perfect score in an exam? Says the kid, may sumagot kanina? Or it's free? It's a kid. It's free ba? Or it's a kid? It's a kid, no? Sumagot kanina. Okay. Yes, scenario number 2, it's free. Go ahead.
OMG, finally got the perfect score in the exam. Yes!
Okay, very good, very good. It's free. Anything. Pag nakita mo, wala kang maka-reaction, matatawa ka lang, nakita mo yung flash mo, ano sasabihin mo?
Ay, narinig ba ako?
Huwag ka
Okay, narinig pala ako ng family mo. Sorry po, pinipilit ko si Dan Wilson na may crush for you. Sige, anything, Dan Wilson, anything. Anything. Anong nangyari sa ating dalawa? Sabi ni Riley, hindi mo lang alam dahil sa'yo ako hindi na makakain. Ang drama, no? Very Dan Wilson. What do you want to say if you saw your crush with someone else?
Ang sakit, may kasama na siyang iba.
Okay. Very good, very good. Ang sakit, may kasama. Very good. So,
Krista.
based on the situation. Although they pointed out or they said lines, pero what is that one word that you remembered from each line or from each line? Say for example, yung sa sinusulat ng OMG, marami OMG. Yun. That part. Yes, exactly, Margaret. So in that line, what word can you remember? Or can you remember with that line? Na lagi natin sinasabi or medyo nasasabi natin. Okay, so according nga kay Margaret, OMG. So first one is OMG. What else? Aside from OMG. Aside from OMG. Based on your classmates' answers that, yes. Okay, according kay Chelsea, let's go. Okay. What else? Sumakot pa na ouch? Wala naman. Wala. Sige, majority kasi na answers nyo, wala masyadong words na ganun eh. Lines na siya agad direct. Okay, sige. Yung Tagalog. O yun din. Mostly Tagalog din yung French Filipino din yung answers. So let's just go back to this question later. So if you remember those one word for each line that your classmates have said, they are called interjections. Again, the words or the word OMG example is an example of interjection. And interjections are those words that you can say in a sudden instances or sudden event. Meaning, when you experience a certain situation or scenario that is unplanned or not planned, and the response that you will say is what you call interjection. Meaning, in Filipino, kapag nakaranas ka ng isang situation na hindi mo naman inaasahan, example, natapon yung kape mo, yung immediate reaction na sabihin mo ay tinatawag na interjection. That is your immediate response or sudden expression towards the certain situation that is not planned. Okay? That is interjections. So again, we will discuss interjection. So at the end of the lesson, we expected to define an interjection as well as to select appropriate interjections in given scenarios. What is the importance of this? It's because your emotions should be connected with the interjections that you're going to say. For example, you are crying, you are sad. The interjections should be appropriate or suitable to the emotions that you are feeling right now. So, alangan hindi mo pwede na naiyak ka pero sabi mo hindi. Or sabi mo hindi. There's no connection because hindi or may sound happy, diba? Tapos naiyak ka, so they are not connected. So, you should select appropriate interjections for given scenario. And as well as, you should showcase the usage of interjections through a short commercial. So, at the end of the lesson, you will create a short version. O bakit di ba nagtatanong kayo sa akin ng roleplay? Sabi nyo, lagi tayo right ng David Disney. Ay, naman naman yung roleplay.
So, yun lang po mga kapam. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Yun lang po. Bye-bye.